In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locally transfer Steam games from one PC to another. If you've ever wanted to move your games without going through the hassle of downloading them all over again on a different computer, you're in the right place. This process can save you a ton of time, especially if you have a slow internet connection or a large library of Steam games. First, make sure you open your Steam app. Having the app open is crucial because it's where everything begins. Once you have it open, check that you're signed into your Steam account. Being signed in ensures that any games you transfer are linked to your own game library. This is an often overlooked step but absolutely essential. Now, let's head over to the Steam library. Look for the Library tab, which should be right at the top of the Steam interface. Clicking on the Library tab will take you directly to a list of all the games you've added to your account. Here is where all the magic begins with locally transferring your games. Within this list, you can select any game you wish to transfer. Click on the chosen game, and you'll notice an Install button at the start. It might seem strange to click Install to transfer, but trust the process. Click on that button, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is where you'll change the installation directory of the specific game. At this point, you have two choices. You can either install the game on your current device, which is the default option, or select to download it to another PC. Even though it says download, you're actually setting it up for transfer to another device. To initiate the transfer, you'll need to tap on the settings icon, usually found near the install area. In the settings, you'll be able to either add or select your preferred drive or device where you want the game to go. This is an important step because it tells Steam which device you want the game installed or transferred to. Once you've set that up, the next step is crucial. Head back to your PC and search for file sharing or advanced sharing settings in your control panel. Make sure that network discovery and file and printer sharing are both turned on. These settings ensure that your PC can communicate effectively with the network, allowing games to be transferred seamlessly to another device. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently install and transfer your games to another PC without any complicated procedures. Follow these instructions, and you'll be enjoying your games on a new machine in no time. Happy gaming!